Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frames for OKB. Now, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. The first level that we can see is our monthly swing high. So we plot it on the chart. We also notice a key level right here, where we have price come down and reverse drastically, come down and reverse again, causing multiple reactions to the same level. Now, if we look over here, we notice another key level where we see price come up and act as support. Also, we see it act as resistance, and we see it act as support again before price reverses drastically. Now, we can also plot the swing low of the chart as the lowest point price is reached. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly so we can see more price action. Now, what do we notice here? Our monthly level is clearly shown by the multiple reactions from these candles. Now, what we're actually going to do is draw in a zone for this level. Now, this helps us see more clearly the area where we expect price to react from. Now, I also see a level right here with multiple reactions. We notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 reactions to the same level, acting as resistance and support. So this is a very important level here. Now we can also plot our swing high on the weekly time frame. And we notice our monthly level here, we can see price reacting from the candlesticks, and we've seen a fake out from the monthly level before price came back down. Now, we also notice a level right here. So let's go ahead and plot this on the chart. Now we can see price reacting to the level here as support, as resistance. We've seen a fake out from the level before bouncing back as support. We see a support reaction, and now we see price reacting to the level as resistance. So we have multiple reactions to this key level acting as support and resistance. So if we see a breakout of this level, we can plan for price to reach the next key level we have plotted on the chart. So these are all the key levels plotted on our chart. If you guys got any value from this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.